Hi, I'm Sandy with the Allnutt Group at the agency. Welcome today to 2016 Abelia Lane in Gardenside Subdivision. This is a brick ranch on a walkout basement with 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. It is conveniently located with quick access to downtown, UK, and New Circle Road. You'll love the huge backyard, covered patio, and the basement. Plus, don't miss that there's hardwood under the carpet. Thank you for viewing our listing. If you liked what you saw, don't delay. Schedule today.